Lightning strikes, while awe-inspiring, have profound impacts on the environment and atmospheric processes. When lightning strikes, the intense heat can lead to wildfires, which play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by clearing dead vegetation, promoting new growth, and enabling certain seeds to germinate. Additionally, lightning contributes to the nitrogen cycle. The extreme heat from a strike converts nitrogen in the atmosphere into nitrogen oxides, which are essential nutrients for plant growth once they settle in the soil. Furthermore, lightning-generated wildfires can influence local weather patterns, creating updrafts that affect cloud formation and precipitation.